Thaissa Barbosa Presti, born November 7, 1985 in São Paulo, is a track and field sprint athlete who competes internationally for Brazil. Presti represented Brazil at the 2008 Summer Olympics in Beijing. She competed at the 4x100 meters relay together with Lucimar de Moura, Rosemar, Coelho, Neto and Rosangela Santos. In their first round heat they placed third behind Belgium and Great Britain, but in front of Nigeria. Their time of 43.38 seconds was the fifth time overall out of 16 participating nations. With this result they qualified for the final, in which they sprinted to a time of 43.14 seconds and the fourth place behind Nigeria, missing out on the bronze medal with 0.10 seconds. However, in 2016, the IOC stripped Russia of its gold medal due to doping, meaning Rosangela and her teammates inherited the bronze medal. Thaissa is daughter of former soccer players Thaissa. References: Thaissa Presti profile at IAAF.